Okay, I'll give the best metaphor that I have is like the crew on a ship. So let's say you have a ship and there's this crew on this ship, and the generators are the people that either rowed the boat. So like 70% of all humanity are generators. So generators, you guys will be the people that generate energy. Then you have manifestors. Manifestors are the people that hold the rudder and steer left and right. So they are the initiators, the movers, the impactors. Then you have the reflectors. The reflectors are like the samplers, the explorers. And those would be the people that get on a lifeboat and go onto the other island to check it out, to see if it's inhabitable, and then come back to the boat and say what they felt. And then there are projectors, and I'm a projector. And projectors are gonna be the guys that read the map and hold the looking glass. So you can see the difference, that the manifester is only the guy that moves the steering wheel, but the person that actually reads the map is the projector. The person that looks into the distance is the projector. So not one person does everything. Everyone can do all of the things. It's just that human design shows you what are you innately, what comes naturally to you and how to use it.